What's up guys, it's your boy Jordan back with another video, and in this video I want to talk about something a little different from the usual business model that we focus on. I know that there's a lot of you guys out there who have yet to start your business, or you're in a position where you don't have enough money to pursue your business, or money is one of the factors that's really holding you back. So I wanted to make a video primarily focused on ways to generate money outside of e-commerce, outside of Shopify, ways that you can start making money with immediately, and it can be at any age. These are things that I have done along my journey, and I'm gonna share with you guys exactly how I did them. So hopefully you get some value out of this. If you like the quality of this content, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. Also, we have a free Facebook group where you can join and network with other entrepreneurs. It's a great community, and I try to share a lot of good content in there as well. But anyways guys, I know you're ready for this video, so let's get it going. So I come from a background of not a successful family. We didn't have a lot of money to play with, and I didn't have a big budget to pursue any of the ideas and goals that I had at the time. And I actually feel like a lot of you guys are in the same position. So for me, when I was first getting everything started and getting it all up and going, it was essential for me to determine ways for me to produce cash flow, because unfortunately, without money, it's very hard to pursue anything and make it happen. You can pursue ways to make money, but without money you really can't make any big plays. So it's essential to have some type of income coming in. I hated the idea of a job. I didn't want to work a job at all. I despised even thinking about it. So I tried to be creative throughout the years and come up with a few ways to put a bit of extra money in my pocket, and pretty much every time I would take that money and invest it into something that I knew would have some type of payoff. Whether I failed in that business or I made it work, it all kind of goes hand in hand. And actually, I made a video a couple days ago about all my failed business ventures. If you're interested in this kind of stuff, maybe you would want to watch that one as well. But when it comes to the three methods, these are the best ones that I have found to work for me in my experience. This is, like I said before, not based off of like something I heard from somebody. This is stuff I actually did and actually made money with, so that's why I'm sharing it with you guys today. So the first thing is actually going to be really simple, but it's something that a lot of people will not go through and do. The first and one of the best ways that you can make money, $100 a day, $200 a day, however really much money you want, is by pursuing arbitrage. Basically like we do with Shopify. We find products to sell, we sell them online. But in this case, don't focus on AliExpress. Don't focus on any working with suppliers. Think much smaller, because you don't have money to play with. Think much smaller. Firstly, look around your house and find things that you can sell. And I'm talking, if you're starting with $0 right now, this is what you need to do. Look around your house, find things that are not essential to you. Shoes that you don't wear, clothes that you don't wear, electronics that you don't use anymore. Throw them up on Craigslist, eBay, and Amazon. Well, yeah, I guess you can't sell on Amazon, but Craigslist and eBay, and get those things sold. Put a little bit of money in your pocket from there, and then what you would do is go back to those same platforms like Craigslist, OfferUp, Let Go. There's a bunch of apps like this, and you want to look for stuff that looks reasonably priced. One thing that I remember making a ton of money off of back in the day was old computers. So when I say old, I don't mean like ancient, I just mean computers that people had and wanted to get rid of. I would find computers that had a lot of potential to be maybe cleaned up a little bit, and I would actually take them, restore them, not much work, and I would sell them for $100 profit, sometimes even $200 profit. And at that time, that was really good for me because I wasn't making any money, and it was a real easy way to do it. And I did exactly what I said to you guys, was sold some stuff, put some money in my pocket, and reinvested it right away. So arbitrage is one of the best things that you can do to start making money. And it is actually not that hard. It just takes work. So you have to apply yourself, and you have to put some time and research into it, but it's really easy. So like I said, if you want some actionable steps, firstly, get some cash flow. Get like 200 bucks. That's all you would really need. Maybe even less. Immediately go to Craigslist and find things that you think look good. Go compare the prices of those items from Craigslist to Amazon or to eBay. See what people is really paying for it. then purchase it, restore it, and make your profit. And you can keep building. You can start with something small and you can keep climbing up to more bigger purchases that generate you more profit. I actually saw an interesting video the other day. It was from some kid. Maybe you guys could go find it. It's called $0 to $1,000 challenge, and he starts with a penny. He takes a penny and he trades up. So he takes the penny, he invested, he got like a soda can. He sold the soda can to his friend for $2. And after like maybe like 2 to 3 weeks, he ended up having $1,000. So that's slow money, right? Like that would not be ideal for me in my situation. But for somebody just getting started out, these are the sacrifices that you need to take. So number one of the best things that you can do is arbitrage. Number two, the second thing that I think is the most profitable, easiest thing to do at any age would be freelancing, okay? Let's say you are good at anything, right? Maybe you draw really well. Maybe you edit videos really well. Maybe you know how to sing. I don't know what you're good at. Maybe you're not good at anything. What you need to do is identify a skill, whether it's one that you already have or one that you want to learn. And you want to focus on improving your craft in this skill. Start watching YouTube videos, start joining communities around this skill, and just keep building and getting better. While doing this, you want to be actively marketing yourself and trying to generate clients. Some great ways to do this is Fiverr, Upwork, Facebook groups, DMing people on Instagram, messaging people on Facebook. I've done this as well. Once I was starting my e-commerce business last year and getting the ball rolling, I wasn't really making any profit. That's how it goes. And it was becoming impossible for me to continue growing and testing new products because I had no cash flow. What I had to do was start promoting my video editing skills because I had been editing videos for the last few years. I had to leverage my video editing skills, and I started working with clients that I met through Facebook groups. And this allowed me to generate around $200 every week, which is not a lot of money, but when you have nothing and you need money to invest, this is the things that you have to do. So like I said, firstly, arbitrage is one of the best things that you can do, but freelancing is an incredible opportunity. And like I said, a lot of people, when I tell them to freelance, the first thing that comes out of their mouth, and I hate when people say this, but the first thing is, oh, I don't have any skills, or I don't know how to market myself, or I don't know how to do this, I don't know how to do that. That's a lazy excuse. And if you live with that mindset, you're not cut out for entrepreneurship. You're not cut out to be successful anyways. So that's just me being real with you. So number two would be freelancing. Find something that you want to do, find something that you're good at, and start getting paid for it. The third and final way that you can start making money online today, and not even online, these other things weren't necessarily online either, but just start making money today, would be with affiliate marketing. So basically, I'm sure a lot of you guys know about affiliate marketing, but it's when you take somebody else's product or service and you get the word out about it, you promote it, and anytime a sale is generated through your affiliate link, you in turn get a portion of that sale value. So if it's a $100 sale, maybe you get $5-10. Now, some affiliates do much better than that. But essentially, this is something that you can do for free. It's a little harder with no budget, but you can definitely get the ball rolling. What I would suggest in this scenario, and the other two things I have done when I was broke. Affiliate marketing, I'm just starting to do now, but I can see how it could work for somebody just starting out. If you don't have any money to spend on ads, or you don't have a platform to promote, what I would suggest doing is leveraging Facebook groups and sort of finding people that have a specific problem in that affiliate marketing space. Like for example, a lot of people struggle with product research for Shopify. So what I do is I put a link in my bio, usually promoting a affiliate offer for Shop Genius, which is a tool that I use all the time. But it's a perfect example of how you can promote something. So for somebody on a Facebook group, maybe you will want to look for somebody saying, what's the best way to find a product? Or I don't know where to find winning products. Or somebody asking a question. Message that person, add them and say, look man, I've been using this software for the past couple days and it's really good, you know, so just use my affiliate link and get it, and then you'll make 20 bucks off that. This is the way you have to think if you want to be an entrepreneur. Don't have that limiting belief that I have no money, I can't make anything happen. It's up to you to create that money, to create the opportunities that make you money, and then to use that money to continue to grow and leverage your success. And if you can understand that, you'll be successful for the rest of your life. So anyways, guys, hopefully you got some value out of this video. Like I said, a little bit of a different topic, but I felt like it was one I needed to cover. I get a lot of DMs from you guys, and a lot of you are like young kids, like 13, 14, 15, and I absolutely love that. You guys have the hustle, the drive, the energy, and don't worry, to you older people, I'm not hating on you, but you gotta respect the kids, you know? So this video should hopefully help you guys out a lot. Get out there, start applying this stuff, start making money, and let me know in the comments some of the things that you guys have done when you were trying to make your first couple of dollars, or maybe what you're doing right now. I would love to hear your advice, and maybe I'll share it in another video. But anyways, guys, that's all I have for this one. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you have a great day. Peace.